Hi, I'm Krista with Cam Do It. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of Hallmark's 2022 Keepsake, a Very Merry Grinchmas ornament, along with the Keepsake Power Cord that you need to power it. So first we have the Very Merry Grinchmas ornament. You want to take it out of its box. And there's not really anything too fancy or anything to it. What you'll need to be able to set it up is just, you'll see here it has the little hook, so you'll need a ornament hook to hook it to your tree or wherever you want to put this decoration up. And then as you'll see on the back, this little spot here is where you need the Keepsake Power Cord. Now, the one thing that you want to watch for is Hallmark does have a number of different cords that power their ornaments. So the Keepsake Power Cord is for ornaments that are year 27 and later. So the Merry Grinchmas is 2022, so this one is the perfect cord that we need because it's 2017 and later. So when you get your Keepsake Power Cord, it is sold separately from the Merry Grinchmas ornament, so you'll need to make sure you have both in order to be able to operate the ornament. It comes with the power plug that you'll plug into your outlet, and then that plugs into the little Keepsake cord. So it powers here, and then the Keepsake ornament string is able to power multiple little ornaments along its train. So today we're just going to power one ornament, the Merry Grinchmas. So we'll get that set up. All right, I've got my cords here, so we're going to plug it into a wall outlet. Then we plug it into the Keepsake ornament string. And then from there, we're going to take one of the little plugs and plug it into the ornament itself, right there on the back. And then, as you'll see, if it's operating, it should instantly light up. And then you've got the little button on the side. Just hit that. And just like that, it works. You can hang it on your tree or wherever you'd like for your Christmas decor. It's a great gift for your favorite Grinch lover. So hope today's unboxing video and setup was helpful to you. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. We've got many more videos to come. Hopefully they're helpful to you. Have a great day.